My mother once told me, "Son, if you work hard, you're gonna be rich." I've been working hard since 2010. Mom! My high school teacher once told me, if you see a lion running towards you, be afraid. Lions are dangerous. My father used to say, "Son, never give up on your dreams." Oh yeah, never give up on your dreams. I remember that when I was a kid, I used to tell everybody that one day in the future I would go to France and I would live in France. I'd call my mother and say, because I didn't live with my mother back then, I used to call my mother and say, "Mom, in the future I'm gonna live in France. I'm gonna speak French and I'm gonna get married to a French girl." And she said, "Okay." Then I would, call my cousins and say, "Oh, I'm going to live in France in the future." But then, once I called an uncle, one of my uncles, and I said, "Hey uncle, in the future when I grow up, I'm going to live in France." And then he looked at me and said, "No, you will never live in France." And I asked him, "Why not? I will live in France in the future." And he said, "No, you are a loser." I remember when he said that as if it had happened yesterday. But now every morning when I look at that window, I laugh so hard.
Oh, did you manage to go to France?
Roger, my student. Oh, if you don't know him, he's Roger, my student. What are you doing here?
I was under your bed. But did you manage to go to France?
No, I've never been to France.
So, why did you say you laugh every time you look at the window?
My window is funny.
Alright. Well, I speak French.
Oh, you speak French? Say something French, please.
Okay. Peugeot, des Renault, des Citroën, Creative Technologie, Croissant, des petits gâteaux, Zidane, Souvenir du croissant, je t'aime. Oh, résumé des fiancés. Roger!
My great-grandfather once told me, "Great-grandson, I need to tell you something very, very important." And then he fell downstairs. He never finished that sentence. And do you have anything to share with us? Some wise lessons, something that somebody else has taught you?
Wise lessons?
Yeah, something that somebody else has told you and then you learned this lesson.
I remember Josh. My friend from high school, my high school friend. Once he told me, "Hey Roger, come here, sit on my lap." And I can't really remember what happened after that. I just remember that he gave me a pill and I couldn't walk properly for 3 weeks. He was awesome.
My American friend once told me, the importance not what your country can do for you, but what your country can steal from other countries.
Please click the big red button to subscribe. It really helps me when you do that, and click the bell to allow notifications so you will never miss new videos. Thank you very much.